Hello all, it's Sharon and
Nate.
And in today's video we're back with another Dollarama haul. I did pick up some stock up items, but then I have some other items I want to share with you all. So Nate asked for these again. These are the all natural freeze-dried strawberries. They're $1.25 per package. You only get 20 grams in the bag. A little pricey, but he's a picky eater and I always get him any type of food that he requests. I always buy it for him. This is what the back says if you want to pause and read any of the information. Yeah, so I got him 6 bags of these strawberries. And then I picked up 3 of these plastical little baskets. These are $1.50 each. There is the sizing information. These are the ones that are kind of have like a sweater vibe to them in this kind of grayish green color. I don't know if it's the Virgo in me, but I'm always switching things around, reorganizing things. So yeah, these will come in handy for some type of organization. I was so happy to see this item at the Dollarama. This is only $2.75, and my Dollarama never has this, so I had to grab a bag when I saw it. So this is the all-purpose potting mix, and there's the bag size. It's 10 liters of it. So yeah, I was super happy to get this for $2.75. I think that's a really good price for this. And I don't know if I can insert the pictures here. I've been having trouble with that lately. So at the end, in the closing message, I will put some pictures of Nate's plants, but they're doing really well. And then I grabbed 2 of these pots for Nate, and definitely his radishes and his peas need to be replanted. I already had one for his tomato plant, so that should be fine. There's the sizing information. They're $1.50 each. You can pop out these holes here for drainage if you want, and they're kind of just got this wavy kind of nice pattern, kind of like a sun vibe to them. But yeah, I did grab him 2 of these for replanting his plants, because like I said, they're doing pretty well. He's got a really good green thumb. And then lastly, he does have his 4 little pumpkin plants, and last time we got one of these in kind of a grayish green color. This time we picked out this light blue one. It's a large planter box. It's 27 by 8 and it's $4.50, and it's just a long planter box. So we're probably going to take one of the larger pumpkin plants and one of the smaller ones and kind of separate it, because right now all 4 in one of these containers. So yeah, we'll separate and put 2, and then if they do start, taking off and getting larger, then we'll probably pick up some more of these large planter boxes. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and we'll talk to you in the next one.
Take care and bye for now.